You're welcome to my today BinaryKiller Premium Version 1.10 2022 edition trading video. Please, if this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, consider to subscribe. Also hit on the bell icon. There's a lot to benefit. There's a lot. We are all here to make money. We are all here to make money. So we are about to make money today. We are about to make money. So let me go ahead and put our settings, which I'm going to be using on my today trading section. Okay. I need to put my take profit. Okay. I'm targeting 250 US dollars, man. So let's see if it's going to be possible to achieve this 250 bucks. Okay, all right, and at the same time, I put my stop loss of $250 as well. Why? I'm thinking of making money. I also think of loss because trading is risky, nothing is guaranteed. Okay, all right. Please note this is 100% zero Martingale, 100%. We are not trading with Martingale today. We are not trading with Martingale. This is our letter version. Making it possible for us to make money. Okay, I have to check my chart to see what's going on, where the price is going, if it's a downtrend, because we are targeting down. We are predicting that the market gonna be going down, man. Okay, all right, so let's see. Let me apply some of our high frequency trading indicators, which we use, to see if the board is doing the right thing. All right. Okay. All right. Everything is in place. Everything is in place. So what I need to do is to go ahead and run my board. Okay. Let's wait for our first trade of the day to see if it's going to be profit or loss. Please know this is how you are making money here on Bot.100 every day with our BinaryKiller Premium Version. So let's see how the market going to trade us today. We're targeting the least $250 today, and also stop loss of $250. Okay, all right. So let's see how possible it would be for us to achieve these. Okay, all right. So let's see. Let's wait for our first trade to see. Okay, all right. We are in, man. We are in. Okay, all right. Let's see if it's going to be profit or loss. Let's see. Profit or loss. So first trade of the day, even though it's loss, so profit, we don't care about it. Loss is part of the game. All right, but we are here making money every day. So we are the king. So we are not scared of loss. Okay, all right, good and fine. 20 bucks. All right, so let's see how possible it would be for a daily target of $250 to achieve. I'm going to leave it for now. So if you are new here on my channel, consider to subscribe and also stay with me to the end to see how possible it would be for a daily target to achieve, man. Okay, we have our second trade of the day ready, so stay with me, please. All right, I'm back. Let's see how the market is going. Let's see how the market is going. Okay, we have another open trade. Let's see if this is going to be profit or loss. Let's see, profit or loss. Profit or loss. Boom! This is unlimited, bro. This is unlimited. 20 US dollars every second. It's not up to second, right? It's not up to second. This is what a lot of people going out to work in a month while you are making it every minute here on Bot.binary.com. So the game just begun. Let's see how our today target will be achieved. Another 20 bucks. Oh, shit, man. What's going on? Okay, we are in again. We are in again. Boom! Oh, oh shit, man. What the fuck? Alright, we are in again. This should be our last trade of the day. Current profit is $227. Okay. Alright, another 20 bucks. Come on. Oh God, this is more than profitable. This is the power of BinaryKiller version 1.10 2022 edition, man. Let's see. Okay, we are in again. This should be our last trade of the day. This should not go on loss. Boom! This is how we are making money here on Bot.binary.com every day, trading with our BinaryKiller Premium version. So please, if you're interested to take advantage of this, you can write me on WhatsApp and also join our Telegram group and channel. Check the description of the video. You're going to see a link that will take you to our Telegram group and channel, and also give you access to to download our free version. So we are here to make money and also help other people to make money.